Donna Lakes here to tell you about a wonderful class that we have at our center, Ascension Healing Arts Center. We are located in Southfield, Michigan, but we offer everything online through video and in person. So this class that I wanted to talk about and tell you about is called Coming Home to Yourself, and it's all about getting in touch with you, building the relationship with you and making it stronger, learning to listen to you, learning to accept you, learning to love you. And in this wonderful workshop, we talk about what does that mean, and then we go into various exercises and working with the self, and then we also have a group healing and meditation, and we do some release work, and we do some manifesting, and it's just a wonderful, wonderful workshop. If you're feeling very disconnected, this is the workshop for you. Reclaim yourself. Come on over and take our workshop called Coming Home to Yourself.